Hello, my name's Christopher, and today I'm going to show you how to install Speedtest Tracker version 2 on Umbrel OS. So, a little bit about this series, I'm going over Home Lab, so installing things, getting things set up, everything like that. So if you're interested in that, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel, and let's get started. So this is what we'll be installing today. Speedtest Tracker is a self-hosted internet performance tracking application that runs speed test checks against Ookla's speed test service. And why might I use this? The main use case for Speedtest Tracker is to build history of your internet's performance so that you can be informed when you are not receiving your ISP's advertised rates. And then this is what it looks like and some screenshots. So that's what we'll be installing today. So BigBearUmbrel is a third-party app store for Umbrel OS. It's supported by Big Bear Tech World and the Big Bear Community. And these apps are supported on BigBearUmbrel. And then I did do a how to install video on it, but I'm going to be going over how to install it in this video as well. So now let's get to showing you the Docker Compose. So now we're going to be explaining the Docker Compose and how the Umbrel app works. So we're going to go down to BigBearUmbrel Speedtest Tracker 2 right here. And then Umbrel app shows all the app store information. It also has the port in it for what it'll be listing on. So this is the proxy port. And then I'm going to go into Docker Compose. And then once the proxy port comes through, the app port is on 80. So this is going to go into server. And then the server is going to store all the data inside of MariaDB here. So the app host is BigBearUmbrel Speedtest Tracker 2. And then this will align with the Umbrel ID right here. So, and then server 1 aligns with this. So it's going to this server. So the image is off of GitHub. And then it's using the new image from Alex Justin. And then the version is 0.13.1. The environment variables are set. So the environment variables are set for the process UID, the process group ID, the database down here. These should align with these. And then the time zone set. The volumes right here. So etc local time is on the host side. And in the container side is the etc local time, and then read only. So now on the host side of this one is app data directory. This is a dynamic variable that populates, and then it'll be in BigBearUmbrel Speedtest Tracker 2, and then config. And then on the container side is config. Now on the host side is the dynamic variable, and then the BigBearUmbrel Speedtest Tracker 2, and then web. In the container side is etc SSL web. And then restart unless stopped. So if you stop it for any reason, it will not try to restart, but if it fails or any other reason, it will try to restart. And then depends on this DB service right here, and then MariaDB, and then version 10. So it's getting off of Docker Hub because there's no URL before this, like this one. And then the tag is 10. I'm going to set restart always. So no matter if you stop it or any reason, it will always try to restart. So environment variables are set for the database. And then the volumes are the dynamic variable, and then BigBearUmbrel Speedtest Tracker 2, and then MariaDB. So this is on the host side. And this is on the container side, so var lib MySQL. So that's a little bit about the Umbrel app. So I wanted to let you know about the Big Bear Club. You can join it, and it greatly supports this channel, and I very much appreciate it. So if you'd like to join the Big Bear Club, you can go down the YouTube description and go to my Ko-Fi link and join it from there. So let's get back to registered programming. So now we're going to start out on BigBearUmbrel. There will be a link down the YouTube description to get to this. And I'm going to go to this code, and then I'm going to copy this one right here. And then once it's copied, we can go over to Umbrel and get this installed. So now I'm going to start out on my Umbrel, and I'm going to go down here to the App Store, and then I'm going to go up to these horizontal dots, and then I'm going to go to Community App Stores, and I'm going to paste in the URL that we copied. There we go. And then we'll say add. And then now it's added, so we have access to the apps now. So now we're going to start on Umbrel. I'm going to go to App Store, and then these horizontal dots, Community App Stores, and then I'm going to go down to Open right here. And now I'm going to scroll down to Speedtest Tracker 2. And then here we go. We get some info about it. So I'm going to press Install now. It's going to let you know that it's a community app store. I understand and continue. What this is doing is it's downloading the Docker container, getting it extracted, and getting it up on the proxy and the Docker Compose and everything. So now it's starting. Okay, now it's open, so it's successfully up, and we got it installed. So I just went over step by step on getting Speedtest Tracker 2 running on Umbrel OS. I went over the debugging part and showing the UI, everything like that. So if you like this tutorial, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel. And if you have any video suggestions or you need support, you can go down to the Big Bear community and join our Discord. There's a link in the YouTube description. So stay tuned for more.